Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to simply remove objects from a photo. So open this website, it's called tinywow.com, it's absolutely for free, link down below in description, but I recommend using adblock because there are a lot of ads. Upload here your photo from PC or mobile. Here you can see boats in the sea and I want to remove one of them, for example this one. Here you can adjust brush size if you want bigger or smaller and brush your object you want to remove and click on icon remove. And this is the result. The boat is gone. I think it's pretty good. If you are not satisfied, click on this icon and it will change back. Now I will try to remove this object from the photo. Let's see how it will look like. I'm gonna adjust brush size and brush head of this person. Next, click on remove. After a few seconds, this is the result. It looks pretty cool, but kinda scary. I will also try to brush this little cloud. And it's gone. You can play with it. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and see ya next time.